Hey, what's up? I'm Steve Hernandez. I am a Texas realtor and mentor of the Real Broker. And on this channel, we break down real estate the way it should be broken down. Practical, clear, and always looking out for your money. This series is called Texas Real Estate, What You Need to Know Now. Texas operates by its own set of rules, and oftentimes people get blindsided because no one took the time to explain the basics. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Every episode is designed to help you make smarter decisions and avoid expensive mistakes. Let's jump in. Somewhere in Texas right now, there's a buyer looking at one of these for the first time, and their head just exploded. Not because they can't afford the house, because they didn't expect to bring $15,500 to close. There's a huge misconception that your down payment and your closing costs are one and the same. That couldn't be further from the truth. Down payment is simple. It is the portion of the purchase price that you pay up front instead of financing. Try and say that 3 times fast. And that's it. That's your equity day one. Now, your loan type is going to determine how much you put down. If you're VA or USDA, it's zero down. If you're FHA, it's 3.5%. And if you're buying conventional, it could be as little as 3%, all the way up to 20%. Closing costs are completely separate. These are the costs that are required to complete the transaction. So closing costs can include lender fees, appraisal fees, survey, title insurance, escrow fees, prepaid HOAs, did I say survey? Prepaid taxes, prepaid insurance, just to name a few. Now, these are not optional. They have to be paid. So here's the fun part. Yes, it has to be paid by someone, but who's going to pay it is going to be up to your fantastic realtor. So closing costs need to be negotiated from the very beginning. They cannot be negotiated at the closing table. Now, who can pay these costs? So the buyer can pay it, the seller can pay it, the lender can contribute, and in some rare cases, even your agent can contribute, but don't ask. It's not going to happen. So here's what I tell every buyer. Go ahead and allow me to work on your behalf, but plan on bringing your down payment and some closing costs to the table. You can be like this gentleman who actually bought a house with zero down and brought absolutely nothing to the closing table, all because we structured the deal correctly. If you understand the difference between your down payment and your closing cost, congratulations, you're light years ahead of the competition. So in the next episode, we're breaking down the Texas option period. Now, don't want to miss this because screwing this up can cost you thousands. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel. Every episode in this series is designed to teach you a little more about real estate. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in Texas and you're looking for someone to walk through the process and protect your interest from start to finish, my contact information is down below. I'm Steven Hernandez, and this was Texas Real Estate, What You Need to Know. See you in the next episode.